Good morning, dear students. I, Vijayalakshmi, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. Today, we are going to read Lecture 4 of Chapter 3, Two Stories About Flying, and we are going to continue with Part 1, His First Flight. Till now, we read that all through the next morning, the entire family of the young seagull walked on the big plateau on the opposite cliff. They appeared to be jeering at young seagull for his cowardice. He had not eaten anything since the previous evening, and to attract his parents' attention by pretended to sleep. Still, they took no notice of him. His brother and sister were dozing on the plateau with their heads hidden in the neck. So, now what happened when nobody was taking care of him, paying attention towards him? Then only his mother was concerned about his young seagull. Her young seagull. She was eating a fish that lay at her feet. And how does she tempt the young seagull? That we will read. Come on, let's continue. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly, and commended himself to dive and soar and curve. Shrieking shrilly, he was near the sea now, flying straight over it. Facing straight out over the ocean, he saw a vast green sea beneath him, with little ridges moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. See now what happened. Young seagull enjoy his first flight. Young seagull expresses his joy during the first flight. He thoroughly enjoyed. He screamed joyfully when his mother swooped past him in admiration. Slowly, he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly. He enjoyed by diving, soaring, curving, and shrieking shrilly. His all the family members of young seagull, they were also so happy to see this change in the young coward seagull. His parents and his brothers and sister had landed on his green flooring ahead of him. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. He dropped his leg to stand on green sea. His legs sank into it. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. But he was tired and weak with hunger, and he could not rise. His feet sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched it, and he sank no further. He was floating on it, and around him his family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of dogfish. He had made the first flight. Yes, he had made his first flight. Yes, dear students, the young seagull's family, they all were very happy. They were very happy on the happiness of young seagull, on the victory of young seagull. They were excited to see him fly. His mother swooped past him with her wings, making a loud noise. His father flew over him, screaming. His two brothers and sister flew around him, curveting, banking, soaring, and diving. These are different directions, different ways of flying. And on his first flight, The sea appeared interesting to the young seagull. He saw its vast green stretch beneath him, with little ridges moving over it. This amused him, and he reacted by turning his beak sideways and cawing. The young seagull was so happy, and he felt terrified upon landing on the sea because his legs sank into the green sea. To overcome his fright, he attempted to rise again by flapping his wings. As he sank further, his belly touched the sea and he began floating naturally. Now he was able to fly. Now, here we are going to discuss some strange words and their meanings. Like the first one is seized, which means grab. Next is curveting, it means perform a series of jumps on hind legs. Headlong, with the head foremost. Soaring means flying or rising high in the air. Swooped. Swooped, especially to a bird, means move rapidly downwards through the air. So these are the strange words and their meanings which you are to write in your master register. Here we are going to discuss some short answer type questions. First is, how did young seagull watch all day long? How did young seagull watch all day long? All day long, the seagull watched his parents flying about his brother and sister, perfecting them in the art of flight. They taught them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. He also saw his older brother catch his first herring and devour it while his parents circle around him, raising a proud cackle. Next is, what was his family doing on the plateau? The young seagull's family was walking about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff throughout the morning. They were trying to taunt him for his cowardice so that he might get persuaded to take the plunge and fly. How was the young seagull different from his brother and sister? Yes, young seagull was totally different from his brother and sister, as they were courageous, but this young seagull was a coward. He had no self-belief. Next is, what is the message of the story His First Flight? And the message is, self-reliance and self-belief, self-confidence are important, and parents should also encourage their children to have a strong self-belief. Thank you, students. Now part 1 of chapter 3 is over. We will meet soon in part 2 of chapter 3. Thank you.